Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tracy and welcome to another Shop With Me video. Ignore the child in the back. But we're going to go to TJmaxx today. We're going to go to HomeGoods. No. We're going to go to HomeGoods and we're going to go to Tjmaxx. We're looking for some organizers for my vanity. So if you guys are interested in seeing what we find, or if you're just interested in these types of vlogs, then you should definitely keep watching this video. Consider subscribing if you're into it, and also check out my playlist for more of these types of videos. Let's go.
Didn't speak to her.
I did.
Did you speak to her thing?
Hmm?
Yes, thing. But you wasn't, because her thing is right there, because I didn't talk to her.
I did talk to her.
But she's not. If you get her, you're her.
I did.
A speed? A dark?
Huh? I found this nice, cute little TrulyTracyBeauty eyeshadow palette for $5.99. Really reminds me of one of the ABH mini palettes. And of course, there's always lots of ABH palettes available. Next, we did find two of the Venus Lime Crime palettes, 1 and 2, and they are for $12.99. Also, we found some Too Faced for $6.99. Really excited about that. And then next, you're going to see the camera angle did change the orientation. But we did find some BH Cosmetics and some Morphe. Did make it work, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad. This cute little TrulyTracyBeauty eyeshadow palette. I've never seen that before. More Too Faced. Really excited about this one. Really can't wait until more are put out, more colors. This one is $6.99. And of course, as you can see, there's always some BH Cosmetics options to choose from. Love BH Cosmetics. Okay, and now we are going to check out the clear organizers. There are so many to choose from. This is like organizer heaven for me. So now we're just taking a little break just so my son can pick out something for himself. He always wants to go shopping. Every time we go to TJ Maxx, he goes and grabs a little basket from the makeup section, and he just patiently waits until it's his turn to go do his shopping. So I just let him have at it, and I just let him get something small, usually, you know, just something cheap that he can get. But you guys let me know, what is your favorite section to shop in these type of stores? Let me know, leave me a comment. Saw these just as we were leaving. We were in the checkout section, or the checkout aisle, and so I just thought that this was really cute. It's gold, it's got cute little bumblebees on it, and it was for a really great price. I just love going in here. This is just like one of my happy places. I just love walking down the aisles and just seeing how neatly organized everything always is. It's just always such a great shopping experience in HomeGoods.
You're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy now.
I found the most adorable jewelry organizers by the brand Rachel Zoe for $16.99. She had a couple of options, which I will show you. Yes, it's really nice. I love the gold tone. I love the mirror in the base, and it would be perfect, of course, for necklaces and things of that nature. Here's the rose gold option, and then there were a few others that I did show you guys as well. Of course, it's gold, so, and pink, which happens to be two of my most favorite colors, so I'll let you guys check these out.
So I gotta tell the truth. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The only thing to do is tell you I'm sorry. We got some history, baby. It goes back to when you said you like me. When I'm for dinner, the movies. I used to think that
So I found these over in the checkout section, and they had so many of these, so many different versions of this particular brand, and so there really is something for everyone. If you're in the market for a tray, an organizer tray, these are really great options for you.
Hi!
So that is it for this video, and thank you so much for watching my second Shop With Me vlog. Again, if you enjoy this style content, please don't hesitate to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bravo.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.